Ito pala yung sinasabi nila na pinaliit na gaming tablet ni Red Magic. This is called the Red Magic na Astra Gaming Tablet. Finally, may kalaban na si Lenovo Y700 and pati si iPad Mini. Itong kanyang size is just simply perfect for gaming. 9-incher. Together with the AMOLED na display with a 165Hz screen refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite na rin. One of the most powerful chip na meron on a gaming tablet. Want to know more about this gaming tablet? Don't you go away after this quick intro. Ito si Red Magic Astra Gaming Tablet would come in two color, Eclipse Black or yung kanang Starfrost Silver. This is the Starfrost Silver hawak natin. And it will come in three different storage, 12256, 16512, and 24 1TB. I'll update the link on the description box below once na naging available here in the Philippines. Now, sobrang astig nitong gaming tablet nito. One of the first time na makakapag-grip ka ng gano'n, no, just using one hand. And yeah, nagagawa ko nga siya right now, which is definitely good. Ang ganda ng kanyang transparent na strip dito. Dito makikita everything. Makita mo ka ng Red Magic logo dito, umiilaw. Meron siyang Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite na chip dito na nakasulat. Plus, of course, yung kanyang RGB na fan dito, which is, well, parang trademark na niya. Na mapapansin mo dito sa kanya, meron siyang magic key. So once na inactivate ko siya, makita mo, papasok na siya diretso sa kanyang game space. Doon mo makita kung saan nakatago lahat ng games na niload mo. Pati mga game settings, lahat makakalibrate mo siya dito. Bypass charging, and all of the other things na gusto mo. Now, one thing na mapapansin mo is quite thin din ang kanyang bezel dito. It's just 4.9mm thick, which is probably one of the thinnest on a tablet. If tama ako kasi si iPad Mini nasa 8.7mm pa ang kanyang bezels. And one thing to notice din, ang kanyang charging port dito sa ilalim, wala sa gitna, nasa kanan. Now, alam naman natin na this tablet is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, the most powerful chip na meron ni Qualcomm as of the moment, and sinagad-sagad ni Red Magic dito sa kanyang gaming tablet na maliit. It was able to score me around mga 2.5 million points dito sa Antutu benchmark, which is quite impressive. Ito ang nakuha natin breakdown scores. Ito ang score nakuha ko sa Geekbench sa kanyang CPU benchmarking. Ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmark. 6,091 points sa kanyang loop score dito sa OneDev Extreme with a 90% na stability. Now, itong tablet na ito has a big battery. Despite its size, 8,200 mAh ang kanyang battery, which I think this can support up to 80 watts na fast charging. Based sa kanyang official spec sheet kasi wala nakasulat, pero ginamit ko ang charger ko from the Red Magic 10S Pro and gumana naman kanyang fast charging. Charging time from 0 to 100 takes me around mga 70 minutes to complete the full charging cycle. Dahil manipis ang box, kaya expect mo walang charger kasama to. You can always buy yung mga charger from Ugreen, which I'll post the link on the description. Now, one of the good things naman dito sa tablet na ito is tumatagal ka ng battery. One whole day wala kang maging problema. As long as you're not doing any heavy gamings, kayang-kaya na magtagal. And nung nirate ko to sa PCMark na battery stress test, 7 hours and 30 minutes based sa 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, pag-usapan natin ang display, which is for me, yun yung kanyang selling point dito sa tablet na ito. This one has a 9.06-inch na OLED display with 165Hz screen refresh rate, maximum brightness na 1,600 nits, meron siyang 2.4K resolution, and it's the first time na nag-collaborate si Red Magic and si Synaptics to give you a better touch response on yung kanyang screen. Now, one of the good things naman dito, if you're browsing naman sa social media, expect mag-enjoy ka. Parang pinalaki ng kunti na smartphone itong tablet na ito, and mag-browse ka, swipe ka lang ng swipe dito. Expect pagdating sa social media, wala kang maging problema. Nasa ka ng high refresh rate. Another thing is, pag nanood ka ng mga videos dito, okay na okay din kasi hindi siya kasing laki ng mga 10, 11, 12, 13-incher na tablet. And this one is definitely ample enough for you to watch all of your favorite Korean novelas. Magsawa ka, manood ka dito, wala kang maging problema dahil ang ganda ng kanyang display. Definitely, you get your money's worth if you're watching on this tablet. Now, this tablet, hindi apat ang kanyang speaker. This one has 2 speakers. Isa dito sa ibabaw and the other one is nasa ilalim. And this being tuned by DTS-X na ultrasound. And pakinggan lang natin kung gaano kaganda ka ng sound quality. Maganda ang kanyang sounds. Malakas, kahit dalawa lang kanyang speaker, no? Pero mafe-feel mo talagang maganda ang sound coming from this tablet. Now, pag-usapan natin ang gaming on this tablet. Iinit nga ba siya o hindi? Malalaman natin. Kasi naglaro ako ng 4 na games dito. Nilaro natin si Genshin Impact, Crystal of Atlan, Wuthering Waves, and Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Genshin Impact, sinagad ko rin kanyang frame rates to 60 and sinagad ko rin kanyang graphical settings na kaya niya. And one of the good things naman dito sa kanya is sobra ako nag-enjoy ang gaming dito. Probably one of the best things dito that I can say is magaan siya compared to yung mga traditional tablet 11-12 incher, pero it gives you yung goodness ng big screen. Plus yung kanyang bezel so thin, so yung screen is halos buong buo iyong-iyo. Plus yung kanyang touch sampling rate is very fast. Wala kang maging problema dito kasi very responsive ka na screen. And one of the other things na magusto mo din dito sa kanya is maganda ang kanyang sounds. I was able to play itong Genshin Impact for an hour and tuloy-tuloy naman laro ko dito. I was really enjoying it. Wala naman ako na-feel masyadong mga frame drops along the way. If ever man, sobrang minimal na hindi mo mapapansin. So after an hour of gameplay, umabot lang ako ng 42 degrees Celsius, which is quite cool. Pagdating naman sa Crystal Atlan, sagad ko rin ng kanyang graphical settings and kanyang frame rates. And to my surprise, it was really good, no? I was able to continue playing yung adventure game ko and as well as playing together with some rank matches dito. And it was really fun. One of the good things dito sa kanya is magandang graphics. Fast-pacing itong game na ito, si Crystal of Atlan, which is probably the magugustuhan ng mga ibang tao na mahilig sa mga fast-paced action. And wala ka naman mag-feel dito na frame drops along the way. Pinakamainit niya after around mga 45 minutes of gameplay, 42 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Wuthering Waves, sinagad-sagad ko rin kanyang graphical settings. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya is maganda ang gameplay. Quite smooth naman siya, wala masyadong mapansin na frame drops dito sa game na ito. And another thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya is sobrang okay ang kanyang graphics. Okay din ang kanyang sounds. And pinakamainit na inabot ko dito is 46 degrees Celsius after an hour of gameplay. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, nilagay ko sa 120 FPS and nilagay ko sa medium graphical settings. One of the things na mapapansin mo din dito sa kanya is sobrang smooth. As in, talagang sobrang smooth. Ang ganda ng gameplay dito, sobrang battery smooth ang game na ito. Another thing na magusto mo dito is ang ganda ng kanyang field of view and of course, malakas ang kanyang sounds. Wala akong napansin na frame drops dito sa kanya, so pinakamainit na inabot niya after an hour of gameplay, 42 degrees Celsius. Now, right now, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang cameras. Ang kanyang rear camera is a 13MP na main camera sensor with autofocus, and this one can shoot you up to 4K and 60 FPS. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 9MP na shooter, which can record you up to 1080p and 30 FPS. Now, sinubukan kong kumuha ng some pictures using itong tablet na ito, which I normally don't use. And taking it outdoor, I would say na not bad ang makakuha ko dito sa shots na ito. Though it's a little bit yellowish konti itong mga bato na ito. On actual, it's a little bit more grayish. Medyo hindi masyado accurate ka ng colors, yan na napansin ko. Pagdating naman dito sa flower na ito, okay naman kuha niya. Though it's a little bit saturated orange as compared dun sa nakita ko with my actual eyes. But nevertheless, I would say na quite good ang kanyang details na na-capture dito. And ang mga greens niya dito is a little bit saturated too as well. Na pagdating naman dito sa flower na ito, looks okay. Okay naman kanya pagkaputi, which is quite good. And pagdating naman dito sa pink flower na ito, okay lang siya pero medyo na out of focus siguro dahil medyo malakas ang hangin. Hindi lang siya nakapag-steady na maayos. And taking these greens, I would say na yeah, it's a bit medyo nagiging neon siya kunti dahil sa kanyang saturation. Pero maganda naman siyang tingnan. Well, kahit papaano. And taking these other flowers na ito, medyo maliit siya, no? Pero medyo maganda naman pagkakuha naman niya dito sa kanyang details. Now, moving on indoors, taking a look at some of the photos na nakuha ko dito, looks okay naman tong shot na ito. I was using a normal shot, medyo matas na ng konti just to capture this big shot. Yung pagdating naman dito sa mga arcade na ito, looks okay naman ng mga ilaw na ito. Hindi siya naging overexposed. Maganda naman kanyang pagkakuha ay makikita mo wala namang color bleed coming from these LED lights. Taking some quick snap dito, looks okay naman mga shot na ito. Wala maging problema dito, pati ito okay din naman siya. And trying another one dito sa arcade is okay din, hindi na color bleed. No, tinry ko rin naman kumuha na ito, close-in shot, tumalemon na ito. Oh, okay naman, sharp naman mga photos niya. No, tinry ko naman mga different zooming capabilities ng kanyang camera. This is a normal shot, 2 times, and 5 times zoom. Pag tinignan mo 5 times, makita mo soft na ang kanyang details dito sa logo ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Now, if you're trying yung front-facing camera, not so bad naman, no? But not the best quality that I've seen on a tablet. But for me, it's a gaming tablet. Not bad na ang kuha niya. Quite good naman ang details, amount of details na makuha mo from its front-facing camera. This one is also okay, not bad. Makita mo yung details sa aking buhok ko. As well as this one, medyo mas soft na siya konti kasi medyo mas hindi na ganun kaaraw yung kanyang lighting. Kapag pumasok ka naman indoor, very obvious na naging soft agad ang aking mukha. As well as this shot, mapapansin mo talaga medyo naging soft siya as compared sa mga outdoor shot na nakuha ko. And ito is also another not bad na outdoor shot na na-captured ko. Quite good ang details sa aking mukha. If you're using this tablet to vlog while walking, medyo a little bit shaky, pero yung quality niya is okay, so-so, not so bad. And if you're using a rear camera for vlogging, which you would probably not do, okay naman ang kanyang quality, not so bad. Shooting a 4K video, masasabi ko naman na, well, not bad ang kanyang resolution, except na medyo matagtag lang siya. Now, since this is a tablet, hindi natin maiwasan na baka gamitin mo to for conferencing or just for video chatting. Check lang natin ang kanyang quality. Test natin right now. Hi guys, ako pa si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick, and right now I'm using the Red Magic Astra Gaming Tablet, which is the first ever mini tablet na nilabas ni Red Magic. And right now, recording at 1080p and 60 FPS. Ano masasabi nyo dito sa quality ng kanyang 9MP na camera? Let me know in the comments ko anong masasabi ninyo. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa bagong-bagong tablet na maliit ni Red Magic, the Red Magic Astra Gaming Tablet. It's so small, kaya mo i-grip using just one hand. Masasabi ko sa inyo guys, sobrang yung lightweight at 370 grams. Aviation grade ang kanyang aluminum metal dito sa likod, so definitely it's quite lightweight. And of course, syempre, silicone carbon ang kanyang battery. So well, you get the goodness of big capacity without sacrificing yung weight. Plus yung kanyang design talaga, sobrang gusto ko tong strip na ito, tong transparent strip na ito. And sobrang performer din to pagdating sa gaming. Plus, hindi siya masyadong mainit. Pinaka-mainit na na-achieve ko is 46 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, are you willing to purchase itong Red Magic na Astra Gaming Tablet? This would definitely give the Lenovo Y70 a run for its money. Plus of course, iPad mini. So if you're interested to buy this one, i-update ko ang link on the description box below once na naging available to dito sa atin. And if you like this video, don't forget to share sa inyong friends. And a quick sub sa aking channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you on my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.